Hi, I'm Miss Bickhart, and today I'm going to go over colors of the rainbow, and I'm going to explain what they are and ways to remember them. So, one of the standards that South Carolina has to go by is that students will be able to recognize the primary colors of the rainbow, basically going through Roy G. Biv. The objective is that they will learn the 7 colors that are put together in the rainbow, and then they will relate those colors surrounding them. So first, you're going to pause this video and you're going to watch the Colors of the Rainbow song. What color of the rainbow is first? Red is the first color of the rainbow. I know a bunch of y'all guessed that. Easiest color one. Can you find the color red on this? That's right, it's the first one. So let's go to there's the second one. Orange. Everything in that photo is orange. Can you name anything in this photo that's orange? Yeah, that's orange. I think it's orange. What's pretty cool is that the color orange is also the fruit orange. The third color of the rainbow is yellow. A lot of things represent yellow, like sunshine. I always make a joke like, you're halfway through the rainbow, be happy. Happiness is yellow. So here's another photo of the rainbow. You can see how it's really dark outside. Rainbows typically appear when the sun comes out while it's raining, so then the clouds create a glimpse and illuminate. That's actually down here in South Carolina, right off of 501. So the fourth color of the rainbow is green. It comes right after yellow. Can you say one thing that's green that's not in this photo? That's pretty good. I probably wouldn't have thought of that one. So the next color is blue. Since we only have 2 colors left in the rainbow, I always represent that it's sad because I love the rainbow. But here are a couple objects in that photo that's blue. That car, a whale, a shark, water, everything good is blue. I love the ocean. There you go. So, do you know what the next color of the rainbow is before I go on? Yeah, it is indigo, actually. Indigo is the 6th color of the rainbow. A lot of people say it's blue. A lot of people say it's blue and purple. I kind of just think it's like a darker blue. So here are a couple things. A lot of jeans people will say are indigo. I think witches' outfits are black, but a lot of people go off of that as blue too. So this is a double rainbow. It represents hope and promise. I think seeing a double rainbow reminds me that somebody loves me. The last color of the rainbow is violet. Many people like violet because it's a shade of purple and has so many good examples. So let's go back to the next one. This is Roy G. Biv. This is how you remember the layout of the rainbow. So right there, Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. That's how I remember the colors. Let's see if you can label this next one right here. Can you label the outline of that rainbow? Yeah, that's really good. Well, I enjoyed teaching you the rainbow. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can watch this video back as many times as you want. Pause, guess yourself, guess an example, and then quiz yourself at the end. I'll put out a little link, and then there you go.